In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Canva. If you want your design to look clean, polished, and easy to read, text alignment is one of the most important details to get right. Even a great font choice or color palette can feel off if the text is not properly aligned with the rest of your layout. The good news is that Canva makes this process very simple once you know where to look. To begin, open your Canva design and click on the text box you want to adjust. Make sure the text box itself is selected before moving on, because the alignment controls will only affect the element you currently have active. Once it's selected, look to the top toolbar, where you'll find the alignment option. Click on Alignment and you'll see several choices for how your text can be arranged. You can choose left alignment if you want the text to line up evenly along the left side, which is a common choice for body text and content that needs to feel structured and readable. Center alignment places the text evenly in the middle, which works well for titles, headings, or designs where you want a more balanced and symmetrical look. Right alignment lines the text up on the right side, which can be useful in certain layouts, especially when you're matching other visual elements. You may also see Justify, which adjusts the spacing so the text lines up evenly on both sides. This can create a neat block of text, but it usually works best when you have enough text for the effect to look natural. After choosing the alignment that fits your design, take a moment to look at how the text relates to everything else on the page. Canva's guides and grid lines are especially helpful here. As you move your text box, these visual helpers can show you when your text is lined up with other elements, such as images, icons, shapes, or other text boxes. Using these guides makes it much easier to create a layout that feels intentional and professional. Finally, adjust the position of the text box until everything looks balanced. This part is less about clicking a button and more about using your eye to judge the spacing and overall composition. If something feels too close to one edge or too far from another element, make small adjustments until the layout feels even and comfortable to look at. That's how to align text in Canva. Once you start paying attention to alignment, you'll notice a big difference in the quality of your designs.